Hi there, so I did a little video today. I did a swap of my MGF, MGTF I should say, wiper motor. Basically went for the MOT. As I was driving to the MOT, I should have checked it before, but as I was driving there, checked the wipers because I happened to be one trying to clear the screen and noticed there was just nothing happening, so I moved the wiper switch, just dead completely. Got to the MOT centre and the guy did a test and basically said, look, it's the wiper motor. So I should have checked it before, but hey, I was in a rush this morning. So basically what I did, went back to my unit. I've got, sounds bad this, but I've got a spare MGF in the corner which needs MOTing as well, but I thought, well, I need the damn car on the road today, so I basically cannibalised the wiper motor off of the other MG that I've got and take it down to the garage. So basically the video I'm going to show you just me fumbling through trying to figure out how to get the damn wiper motor off, the working wiper motor off my decent MGF to put onto the one that was going for the MLT. So hopefully this might help you if you're in the same pickle. So enjoy, thanks for watching. Right, quick video, how to remove or replace the wiper motor on MGF or MGTF in this case. So first thing I'm going to do, undo the battery. I don't want anything starting on me and chopping fingers. Move this trim panel here, this doodah. So there is here, I've got a little trim removal tool. This thing to just slot under and pull up. So that comes off. As you can see, something's fallen off there. Lost something. With this because I'm in a rush. There's also this sort, which looks like a 10mm. Just a little plastic nut. Right, so that's come off now. So we need to get to the motor now. Next job. Right, now we need a 13mm socket on this to get the wiper arm off. Well, that one's already loose actually, so that's good. Just basically want to take him off. And that just basically wiggles off, it comes off really easy. Always good to know where it went, because it's got to go back on exactly the same, and luckily my windscreen's filthy, and you can see exactly where it's going to line up. So that one's going to go there. Same on the other side. I'm not sure it's the same size. Yeah. This cap was on there, by the way. It just sort of pulls out, comes off. A bit easy. Right, next I'm going to take this panel off here, this plastic trim. So in here, I'm just going to poke in here. You can see this just what's popping out. Right, all these are popped off. Difficult to do without damaging them. I had to put a screwdriver in, a flat bladed screwdriver, and pop them out. But they were, 2 of them came out all right. 3 of them, 3 or 4 of them were really bad. So you'll have problems with that. Hopefully, well, hopefully you won't have problems, but you're likely to. Right, so now I need to get a Phillips head screwdriver in, take all these off. So all those are out now. Probably be rustic, little Phillips head screws, and then these little trim pieces you're pulling off as well. Again, I'm going to use this trim tool for that. Right, so whilst it's loose, it does look quite fiddly to get out. It seems to catch at the end, and I don't want to snap it. It's probably old and brittle. But basically, it's lifted up now, so you can see I can actually access these. I think the 32mm bolts, nuts, I should say. So I'm going to get a socket on those if I can do. Try and take them off. Right, well these, my socket wouldn't fit on because of this length of this. So basically, just got some adjustables and then just crack that off, and that should come. It's not very tight, at least it isn't on mine. Same with the other side. Right, now we need to undo this nut on here, which I think, or something like a 10mm. Okay, so if your motor's completely dead, you're going to struggle with this, but basically this linkage needs to be this way so that it can come out easily, which means your wiper's in the upright position. Because it's dead, I'm basically going to have to just basically move it by the motor, so undo these Torx bolts and try and get to the motor and move it itself. A Torx T20, okay, which is used to go basically in there and take this cover off. So we'll undo that now. Right, so basically that covers off now. As you can see, there's a Torx screw at each end. It will feel like it's going to break, but when it comes off, it feels like you're tugging against something, but just the resistance of the magnet, that's all that is. Okay, so I'm going to keep that orientated the correct way. Basically, we just need to turn the motor now to get this to be in a vertical position. So you can see that's, if I turn this now, that's moving. That should make that come out a bit easier now. Okay, now we need to undo the connections. So on the top of there's a clip, you see, just push this down with the finger this way, pull that down there, just get a little screwdriver in base and that just slides off then. There's one connection out of the way. I think that's the only one. And then with a bit of wiggling and a jiggling, it comes out. There we go. That's it. And I'm sure that fitting it back is the reversal of the extraction process. So hopefully, guys, that's helped you. I've just figured that out as I'm going along. I've lost a few clips and broken a few bits. That's the price you pay for having working motors, but hopefully that's helped someone. Okay, so the motor I've just taken off was the new one actually that I'm swapping it with. This is a quick shot of the old one, the one that actually pulled off, which was full of water and rust. That's why it fails, so likely the same on yours. Cheers for watching.